Ever looked at your Lunar balance and thought, I wish I could teleport this money to my friend/family/favorite charity? Well, guess what? You can't teleport it, but you can send it. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Let's face it, sending money can be a drag. You've got to deal with banks, fees, and a whole lot of paperwork. But what if I told you there's a simpler, faster way? That's where Lunar comes in. So, you're sitting there, Lunar app open, and you're staring at your balance thinking, this money would be much happier in, insert recipient's name, S account. You're not alone. Thousands of people are having this exact thought right now. But the question is, how do you actually get that money moving? First things first, let's make sure you're set up. You need a Lunar account, obviously. And your recipient? They need a bank account. It doesn't matter if they're local or international. As long as they have a bank account, you can send them money. Okay, you're all set up. Now, let's get to the fun part, sending money. Open up your Lunar app. It's that little moon icon you've been ignoring. Just kidding, we know you love it. Tap on the Send Money button. It's usually pretty obvious, but if you can't find it, don't panic. Look for a person with a dollar bill popping out of their head or something equally as helpful. Now, you'll see a few options. You can send money to someone who's already in your contacts, or you can add a new recipient. If it's a new person, you'll need their name, account number, and the bank they're with. Don't worry, we'll walk you through it step by step. Once you've selected your recipient, it's time to decide how much you want to send. Are you feeling generous? Go wild. Need to split a bill? Be precise. Remember, Lunar doesn't charge you any fees for sending money within Denmark, but there might be charges for international transfers. So keep an eye on that. Now, here's a little tip, add a note to your payment. Something like for that amazing dinner or birthday money. It's a nice touch and helps your recipient know what it's for. Almost there. Review the details one last time. Name, amount, and that adorable little note. Everything looking good? Perfect. Hit send. And voila! Your money is on its way. But wait, there's more. Lunar doesn't just let you send money. It lets you track it too. You can see when the money was sent, when it's expected to arrive, and even get a notification when it's been received. It's like having a tiny money tracker in your pocket. So, there you have it. Sending money with Lunar is as easy as ordering takeout. Quick, simple, and you don't even need to tip the delivery person. But seriously, if you're ever unsure about anything, Lunar's help section is your best friend. It's full of tips, tricks, and answers to all your burning questions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Happy sending.